Okay, so continue for the last lecture point. So the orbital quantum number, given the value of the orbital quantum number, so represent the space quantization of the orbital angular momentum. Represent the space quantization of orbital angular momentum. Okay, suppose for L is equal to 2 here. So what is the value of ml? So ml is given by, so minus the ml value is given by the minus l plus 1 comma 0 comma l minus 1 and l. Okay, so if we consider l is equal to, so here minus 2 comma minus 2 plus 1 comma 0 comma 2 minus 1 and 2. So this value is given by, so minus 2 comma minus 1 comma 0 comma plus 1 comma plus 2. Okay, so that is 5 times is given the ml value. So that is mean by the orientation numbers. Orientation number is given by 2l plus 1. Okay, so that is here 2 into l value is 2 plus 1 is equal to 2 to the 4 plus 1 5 times. So that is orientation number is 5. So that is last few minutes ago we have to see here. If we consider the single electrons moves in two-dimensional space, then they are considered the 2 degree of freedom, and out of 3 quantum numbers 2 quantum numbers is there. Okay, suppose we have considered the hydrogen like electron is confined the space of 3-dimensional space. So consider have the 3 degree of freedom, and if 3 degree of freedom, that have considered the 3 quantum numbers. Okay, so in previous 2 quantum number is there, one additional quantum number is there. So that one extra quantum number does not affect the size and shape of the atom, but it also confine the orientation numbers. Okay, so and that orientation numbers formula is given by 2l plus 1. Here l is the corresponding orbital quantum number and given by the orientations vector. Okay, so if here given the l value and ml value, so we want to draw the space quantization diagram for l is equal to 2. Okay, so if we consider for l is equal to 2, so the vector corresponding this is the fixed z axis along the external applied magnetic field is here, the projection operator Lz, so that is the magnitude of L bar is also there. So the space quantization value is given by, so starting from middle of here, so 0 is there. Okay, so here see that the plus value is above the 0, so that is here, suppose plus 1 is here plus 2 is here. Okay, and here minus 1 is here and minus 2 is here. So given by the space quantization figure for L is equal to 2, and here the vector diagram of the space quantization. So we want to calculate the magnitude of the orbital angular momentum L bar, so that is denoted by the L star. So magnitude of L bar is given by L star is equal to under root of L into L plus 1. So that is given by, here L is equal to, so 2 into 2 plus 1, so that is 3, 3 to the 6, so that is the under root of 6 is there. Okay. So if we consider here, okay, for L is equal to 3, for L is equal to 3, so the given value for ml is equal to, is given by minus L2 plus L. So that is original formula is given by minus L plus 2 minus L plus 1, 0, L plus 1, L plus 2, and L value is there. So that is given as minus 3 2 plus 3 is here, so that is given by minus 3 comma minus 2 comma minus 1 comma 0 plus 1 plus 2 and plus 3. So total 7 ml value is there. So if we consider the orientation number is given by, so that is given by 2 L plus 1 is here, so L value is here 3, so 2 into 3 plus 1, so total number is the 7. And if we draw the space quantization diagram, repeat here, so that external magnetic field along the fixed z axis and has confined the space quantization. So for here middle of this, so 0 is there, and again same here minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, and here plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 is also here. So we want to calculate the magnitude of the Lz, that is the magnitude of the orbital angular momentum. So this is calculated by the L star, and L star is given by under root of L into L plus 1. Okay. So if we want calculate the magnitude of orbital angular momentum L bar is L star is equal to under root of L into L plus 1, so that is given by 3 into 3 plus 1, so that is 3 plus 1 is 4, multiply by 3, so that is under root of 12 is there. Okay. So this is the space quantization representation of the space quantization diagram of the orbital angular momentum, and that is the quantization of the direction of L. The quantization of direction of L with respect to the external magnetic field. With respect to the external magnetic field, so that is given by, so that is known as, this is called as the space quantization. Okay, and if we see roughly idea here, so what is the value of the L bar and LZ is considered. So for example, L is equal to 3, so L bar is equal to under root of L into L plus 1 into H upon 2 pi, and where H upon 2 pi is equal to H cross, correct? So for L is equal to 3, so consider L bar is equal to under root of 3 into 3 plus 1 into H cross, so L bar is equal to under root of 3 plus 1 4 out, so under root of 12 H cross. So that is the value of the orbital angular momentum, and if we calculate the projection operator is given by, depends upon the ml into H upon 2 pi, so that is given by Lz is equal to ml H cross, and we have considered for L is equal to 3, so total 7 different ml value, so that ml value is given by -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 up to the 3. So Lz, that is projection operator, is given by -3H cross, comma -2H cross, comma -H cross, 0 H cross, 2H cross, and 3H cross. Similarly, this is with for L is equal to 2, similar calculation is there. So that is mean by the quantization of the electron of L bar with respect to the external magnetic field H bar is called as the space quantization. So this is the first point of the vector atom model, is the space quantization is complete. Now we want to see the next part, so that is second is the concept of the spinning electron. Okay, concept of spinning concept of the spinning electron. So that is according to the quantum theory, the Schrodinger's equation applied to the hydrogen atom, that result to the 3 quantum number, and that according to quantum mechanics, so that Schrodinger equation so Schrodinger equation leads to the 3 quantum numbers, that is L, N, L and ML. So that N is the principal quantum number, L is the orbital quantum number, and ML is the orbital magnetic quantum number. So that has the specification of the energies, and these three quantum numbers it could not explain the unusual features is noted in the spectra of the certain gases such as the sodium vapor, and the close examination of the prominent of the we have to know that the hydrogen spectrum, so sorry, the sodium doublet, because that sodium doublet have two lines. One is the frequency or wavelength value is given by 5890 angstrom unit, and another one is the 5896 angstrom unit. So that could not explain by above the theory of these three quantum numbers of the inner state. So in order to solve this difficulty, the S. Goudsmit and G. Uhlenbeck the propose the new concept of the electron spin. So the scientist name is S. Goudsmit. S. Goudsmit and G. Uhlenbeck proposed the new idea of the spin. New idea of the spin. So that according to this hypothesis, the electron has spinning about and motion of the axis passing through the center, while also moves around the nucleus. So that is the atom orbit. So we have to see here the main point of the according to the quantum theory, the idea of the spatial quantization of orbital as well as spin motion of both quantize in magnitude and the directions. So thus they are considered as the quantized vector, and the atom model based on the three quantum vectors is called the vector atom model. So in according to this theory or according to old theory, the only orbital motions, hence orbital angular momentum and orbital magnetic moment were considered, but electron has also spinning motion about the axis passing through its center. So main point is the electron also has spinning motion. Electron also has spinning motion about an axis passing through passing through its center, and electron its center its center. An electron has spin angular momentum, so that is electron has the spinning motion about an axis passing through its center. So like in the orbital angular momentum, there is the orbital quantum number is there, and orbital magnetic quantum is also number is there. So here also spin angular momentum s bar is there and spin magnetic quantum number. So we have consider the s bar, so that is given by the spin angular momentum and sz bar consider, or ms value is also given. So spin magnetic moment. Spin magnetic moment, so that is considered as the ms value. So that have consider the two, just like last few minutes ago see here. So L bar that consider as the orbital angular momentum and L is the orbital quantum number and ml is the orbital magnetic quantum number. Similarly in the spinning electron concept, so the two main points is there. One is consider s bar, that is the spin angular momentum, ms is the spin magnet momentum. The spin angular momentum s bar is given by the spin angular momentum is given by s bar is equal to under root of s into s plus 1 h upon 2 pi, where h bar is equal to h upon 2 pi. So that is written in the form of s into s plus 1 into h cross, correct? And where s is the spin angular momentum and that s value is given by plus half and ms value is given by plus half and minus half. Okay, so the quantum numbers corresponding to the spin electron are, so the quantum number corresponding to the spin electrons are ms is equal to plus half and ms is equal to minus half, correct? And this plus half is for the spin of state, and this minus half for the spin down state. Okay, so you know that according to the quantum mechanics, the Schrödinger equation has three quantum numbers N, L and Ml. So that is the principal quantum number, orbital quantum number, and orbital magnetic quantum number. But these quantum number could not explain the theory on the uh, gases, and for example the sodium doublet, which have the wavelength of corresponding 5890 angstrom unit and 5896 angstrom unit. So consider here the electron also the theory proposed by the S. Goudsmit and G. Uhlenbeck proposed a new theory for the electron spinning, and that have considered the new quantum number, so that S bar, that has the spin angular momentum, and the value of the S bar is given by the ms value, that is spin value or magnetic spin quantum number or spin magnetic quantum number ms, that is given by here. So the value of the spin angular momentum is given by S bar is equal to under root of S into S plus 1 h upon 2 pi, where h bar is the h upon 2 pi, so that the value of the S bar is given under root of S into S plus 1 into h cross. Okay, and the spin magnetic quantum number value is given by plus half and minus half, because the S bar value is the plus half, and that is for the plus half for the spin up state and ms half for the spin down state. Okay, so for example consider S is equal to plus half. Okay, consider S bar is equal to plus half. So magnitude of this S bar spin angular momentum is given by S star is equal to under root of S into S plus 1, so that is under root of half into half plus 1, so 2 into 1 2 plus 1, so that is 3 by 2, 1 by 2 into 3 by 2, so that is given by the value of the under root of 3 by 4. Okay, and the value of S bar, that is spin angular momentum, is given by under root of 3 by 4 h cross, so that is under root of 3 by 2 h cross. Okay, so this is the value of the S bar, and that is consider the ms value is plus half and minus half for the up and down state. So for the physical meaning, according to the quantum mechanics, physical spinning of an electron is not correct, because electron is a point particle. Okay, the physical meaning of the spin. The physical meaning of the spin is not correct, because electron is a point particle. Okay, because electron is a point particle, so that's why the spin quantum number has the value is given by the s bar is plus half, and the spin magnetic value is given by plus half and minus half. Okay.